To set goals in a Wealthfront Roth IRA, start by understanding what a Roth IRA is and how it works. A Roth IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to contribute after tax dollars, which can then grow tax-free and be withdrawn tax-free in retirement. First, log into your Wealthfront account and navigate to the Goals section. Here, you can create and manage multiple goals, such as retirement, a down payment on a house, or a big purchase. When creating a goal, you will need to specify the type of goal, the target amount, and the target date. For example, if you are planning for retirement, you may set a target amount of $1 million and a target date of 30 years from now. Wealthfront will then ask you to specify your risk tolerance, which will determine the investment mix of your portfolio. You can choose from a range of options, from very conservative to very aggressive. Once you have set your goal, Wealthfront will provide you with a personalized investment plan and will automatically invest your contributions in a diversified portfolio. You can track your progress towards your goal at any time and make adjustments as needed. It is essential to review and update your goals regularly to ensure you are on track to meet your objectives. You can also consider contributing to your Roth IRA regularly to maximize your savings and take advantage of compound interest. Best practices for setting goals in a Wealthfront Roth IRA include starting early, being consistent, and being patient. It is also crucial to educate yourself on the rules and regulations surrounding Roth IRAs, such as the annual contribution limits and the requirements for qualified distributions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively set goals in your Wealthfront Roth IRA and work towards achieving a secure financial future.